Today I am here to share the layout of the prime number finding application with the help of Qt designer. Okay, so first of all I have used this label to display the list of prime numbers. Okay, then I have used this label to represent A, then B. Similarly, I have used input fields to get the input from the user. Similarly, I have used the label to display the image here. Then I have used a checkbox. Similarly, I have used buttons, and on these buttons I will implement the functionality that when we will click this button, the proper function will be performed. Okay, similarly, this is the text area. In this, the output of the result will be shown. This is the reset button. Similarly, this is the quit button, and I have given them properties according to their usage. Okay, now let's move to the Python code. Here, this is Thony. I have opened this Thony, and here I have imported the UI. Okay, I have used this code to import my UI file which I created in the Qt designer. Okay, then I have created these clicked buttons to perform the different functionalities. This is a display button. Okay, similarly, this is a reset button to reset all the fields, and similarly, this is the close button to close the interface. Here I have used set image property to display the image on the screen. This, here you can see that image loading code is written. I have used pixmap method to display the image, and there is a method to check if the image is loading properly or not. If the image is not loading properly, then it will show an error. Here is the logic to check the prime numbers from the given range. Okay, similarly, if we move later, here is the code for the inputs. Okay, the user will give input A and B. The program will check the value entered, and then it will find the prime numbers in this range. Okay, so this is all the code in Python. Let's run the application and see the output. Here I have clicked the run button. This is the main window. Okay, here if we input 10 as starting range and 20 and click on display, then we can see there are four prime numbers in this range. If we want to convert its order into descending order, then I will click this checkbox and display. Here we can see that the numbers order has changed. If we try any other output from, let's suppose, 1 to 20, clicking on display, we can see other prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, this is showing in descending order, and now I have unchecked the descending order, and I am clicking on display to see the numbers in ascending order. If we want to reset, I can use this button to reset all the fields. Okay, we can see that all the fields have been reset. And similarly, if I want to close this application, I will use this button quit, and here you can see that the image has loaded correctly. So this is all about finding the list of the prime number from the given number, and by taking the range from the user by Thony and Qt designer with the help of the Python programming.